Sir, the droids seem to have invaded the forest. Alright, I'll send a squad out there. They seem to be doing something with Venator above. We got one of their messages, but only one. It said, "You're gonna die." Alright, is that the same Venator? Yes, the one with Kungaru? Uh-huh. Yep, it is. It also got the captain and the scouting clone. Good. Now, aren't you gonna send somebody up there in case anything bad happens? Yes, I will. Prepare an assault team to go into the forest, and prepare one to go onto the Star Destroyer.
Yes,
Admiral,
sir.
we are sending you this message because we are sending something because you have been having these weird messages from the droids in a forest down here on this planet lately. We're sending some troopers up to help you. Alright, over and out. Over and out. Alright. Would Captain... what's his name? You know who you are. Come up with the scout trooper to the bridge. Alright, thank you, Admiral. Alright, as you know, the droids have been sending us weird messages, and they might be coming through on ships. So, we need you to go greet some of the troopers that Commander Gree has kindly sent us. Alright? Yes, sir. Hello, Lieutenant. Hello. I guess you guys will be the only ones coming in here. Yes, we will be. Alright, well, follow us. We'll take you to the main parts of this place. So, I hear you're a clone trooper here. Yep. What's it like? You stay in an adventure half your time. Oh, that's pretty good. Separate ships are surrounding us, 4 of them, including the level S2, which you know is very powerful. Oh, that's not good. Trooper, give the assault to destroy these droids. Yes, sir.
Get ready to turn those clankers into scrap metal!
Alright. Copy that. Oh yeah, it's open fire!
We're taking heavy fire!
Alright. Prepare the order so that we can get out of here. Yes, sir, that's gonna be kinda hard. Why are you saying that? We're kinda surrounded. Alright, we have no other choice but to board them. Tell the troopers that we're going to board them, and they will be the ones invading. Understand? Yes, sir! Alright, let's move in.
Sir, what is it, trooper? They're boarding us. Well, they have Kungaru back, that Jenna, so this is going to be kind of hard. But sir, we've got 4 ships. Oh yeah. Let's crush them with our enemy. With our droids. Alright.